This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious rolls with rice paper. First, let's get everything ready. Gather your fresh ingredients like crisp vegetables, aromatic herbs, and your preferred protein. Next, prepare a shallow dish with warm water. This will be essential for softening our wrappers. Finally, arrange all your components neatly on your workspace so they are easily accessible when you start assembling. This preparation makes the rolling process smooth and enjoyable. Now that your ingredients are prepped, let's start rolling. Take one rice paper wrapper and dip it into the warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds. You'll notice it becomes pliable. Carefully place the softened wrapper onto a clean, slightly damp surface. This prevents sticking. Next, arrange a small amount of your chosen fillings, like a mix of veggies and protein, near one edge of the wrapper. Don't overfill, as this makes rolling difficult. With your fillings in place, it's time to master the roll. First, take the bottom edge of the rice paper and fold it snugly over your fillings. Then, fold in both side edges towards the center. This helps to secure everything inside and creates a neat package. Finally, starting from the bottom, roll the wrapper tightly upwards towards the top. Aim for a firm, compact roll that holds its shape well. Practice makes perfect. Congratulations, you've made your own delicious rice paper rolls. These are best enjoyed fresh, so serve them right away. To enhance the experience, offer a selection of dipping sauces. A classic peanut sauce or a savory hoisin sauce are always popular choices. These rolls are wonderfully light, refreshing, and incredibly versatile. Feel free to experiment with different fillings and sauces to discover your favorite combinations. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.